3 reasons why your Facebook and Instagram ads are not converting. Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Felix Onheri, and in this video I'm going to be telling you the 3 reasons why your Facebook and Instagram ads do not convert. Before we proceed, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe, and also click on the notification button so that you get a notification once we release our video. So a lot of people have reached out to me and they've asked me, I run ads on Facebook and Instagram but they do not convert. What mistake am I making? What are the things do I need to improve on? So I'm going to be telling you 3 major things why your Facebook and Instagram ads do not convert. Number 1, poor content. Your content is not speaking to your target audience, so you need to use a video or attention grabbing visual that can be able to connect with your target audience, so that once they see it, they can be able to get their attention. So your video, your content is very, very important. So maybe you are using a poor quality content, or a content that do not resonate with your target audience, or a content that does not speak better to your target audience. The second one is poor targeting or wrong targeting. You are not targeting to the right set of individual. You're not targeting to your ideal client. You're not targeting them. So you are targeting people who are not related to your business. So for instance, if you are a hair vendor and you want to target people in hair, you can't be targeting people who are maybe in real estate or in food, or who are interested in music. You have to target people who are engaged shoppers, who are interested in that hair product you are making use of. The third one is called budgeting. So you need to understand that Facebook sells their ad or their audience to the highest bidder. So I won't be talking much about budgeting in this video. Check within this video, you're going to see the budgeting, and then click on it and watch how you can use budgeting to scale your ads and get to the right set of audience. So please, thank you for watching this video, and also please, if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this video. Also click on the notification bar, and then so that you don't miss out. Then you can share the link. Check there, you're going to see where the right share. So share it to your audience, share it to your community, share it to your friends and family. Thank you so much for the support. If you have any question, just drop it down and I'm going to answer them. Thank you.